Looking for reliable performance without the brand new price tag? Meet the VWR IT415PH model MCI0931, a fully refurbished inverted research microscope, professionally reconditioned by our Galileo scientific specialists. Built on a sturdy, die-cast frame, this microscope is designed for stability and comfort, perfect for everyday lab use. Whether you're examining cell cultures or tissue samples, the ergonomic layout and transmitted light observation make long sessions a breeze. It features brightfield and phase contrast modes, perfect for viewing both stained and transparent specimens. At its core is an energy-efficient 8W white LED, producing clean 6300K daylight-balanced illumination, with adjustable intensity and a lifespan of 50,000 hours. Your fine focus work is smooth and precise, thanks to a coaxial coarse and fine focusing system down to 1.02 millimeters. The fixed stage offers versatility with both glass and metal inserts, while the quintuple nosepiece glides effortlessly on ball bearings. With a trinocular head, 45-degree viewing angle, and adjustable interpupillary distance, you get comfort, clarity, and flexibility for camera integration. Fully serviced and tested by the experts at Galileo Scientific, this microscope delivers high-end performance at a fraction of the cost. Ready to go to work in your lab, right out of the box.